So this is Chef Vinayak here. Today I'll teach you how to prepare chicken calzone. Refined flour, yeast, salt, sugar, refined oil, little warm water. These are the ingredients for stuffing. I've taken onion, capsicum, tomato ketchup, chopped garlic, salt and pepper for seasoning, some herbs, chicken cut into cubes, mozzarella cheese, little oil for cooking. When you're using the dry yeast, you have to activate it. So I've taken the yeast. In that I will put little sugar, a tablespoon of flour, little warm water, and we'll whisk this. And leave it aside for 5 minutes so that the yeast activates. Now our yeast has activated. You can see the bubbles. That is the indication that the yeast has activated. Flour. I'll add the activated yeast. This is known as flying ferment. I'll add the flying ferment to the flour. It will make a soft dough. We'll add some salt to this mixture and we'll put water and make a soft dough out of this. Now the dough is ready. Last, we have to add the refined oil and knead it again until the oil is thoroughly combined in the dough. This will take about 5 minutes. Now the dough is ready and the oil has thoroughly combined. We'll cover it with a cling film and leave it to ferment until it is double in size. Put a cling film over it. Now we'll start with the stuffing. We'll heat little oil in a pan. We'll add chopped garlic, now the garlic is started discoloring. We'll add the onion, we'll add the capsicum, onion and capsicum is cooked. Now we'll cook the chicken. Taken boneless chicken. Now the chicken is cooked. We'll add cooked capsicum and onion to it. We'll add some mixed herbs, some pepper powder, some salt, tomato ketchup, we'll mix it nicely. Now the stuffing is ready. We'll remove from fire and we'll put it for cooling. Now the dough is ready. We'll just knock back the dough, knead it lightly. Do not put a lot of pressure. Then we'll cut it into equal portions. Never pull the dough. Always use a scissor or knife to cut the dough. Make round balls. See that there are no cracks. Now we'll roll the dough into round disc. We'll put the prepared stuffing inside. We'll put some cheese. I've used mozzarella cheese here. We'll apply some egg and we'll fold it into half. Now we'll put it in a baking tray and give some egg wash. Now we'll put the calzone for baking. Now this is your chicken calzone.